Making money without having money is easier than you think. Currently, we are in a moment in history where it's easier to achieve this. It's true that many financial influencers and YouTubers always talk about dropshipping, trading, e-commerce, seemingly easy ways to make money, and you don't even have to leave your seat because you can do it in front of the computer. It's true that the internet offers incredible opportunities to make money and do many things, but often you have to put in some effort, get out of your comfort zone, and hit the streets. You have to network, try to connect with the right people. It's a game of creating win-win situation. Many people think they have to be the sole winners to make money, which is a greedy mindset. In reality, it's the opposite. To build consistent and healthy business relationships that stand the test of time and allow you to keep making money while also creating new connections, you need to create what are called win-win situations. This means situations where both parties benefit. If I can do something for you, offer you a product or service that brings you some advantage or simply helps you make money, our relationship will endure over time. You'll want to keep me on board, whether it's for my product, service, or as a supplier. Remember, it's a game of creating win-win situations, and you don't have to win alone. The first business model we'll discuss is Airbnb management. This is particularly interesting if you live in highly touristy countries. There are likely many vacation rentals near your home, city, or town, and owners of these properties often prefer short-term rentals because they generate higher returns than long-term leases. However, managing these properties can be a headache. Many owners would be willing to avoid these hassles for a 12% or 20% fee. In places like Tulum, most properties are bought off-plan and come with management by agency. This is common in other countries, but less so in countries like Spain, where the opportunity is ripe. The model is simple. Contact owners of vacation rentals through the platform, offer your services, and present yourself professionally. Initially, even if you're a one-person operation, make yourself appear as an organized entity with a logo and a name. Your value proposition should be straightforward. You want 15% of the property's monthly earnings in exchange for handling everything, allowing the owner to forget about it while receiving monthly payments. For models like this, cross-selling is crucial. Once you have a happy client, you can offer additional services, such as improving the property's listing, optimizing keywords for better SEO on Airbnb, and providing additional services to enhance guest satisfaction. Creating a win-win situation is key. Moving on to the second business model, the agency model is the most classic. Nowadays, businesses require skills like social media management and web content creation. This model is not suitable for everyone. You need expertise or the willingness to learn. If you're an expert in Facebook ads and campaign creation, you can approach businesses and offer your services. Initially, you may need to work for free to gain trust and demonstrate the value you can bring. For example, if you have e-commerce knowledge, you could partner with someone who provides the capital, branding, and products, and you handle the e-commerce management, taking a percentage of the profits once the project takes off. Now, let's discuss the third business model, the sales representative or commission-based model. If you excel at sales and believe you can sell ice to Eskimos, you have opportunities to make money. You can identify products with potential that aren't selling well, approach the business owners, and offer to sell their products in exchange for a commission, example, 20%. If you don't make sales, you don't earn money. But if the product is good and your sales skills are strong, you can earn a significant income. The fourth business model is the secret shopper. This involves going to businesses and evaluating their performance as a customer. You would create a document with relevant metrics like efficiency, customer service, cleanliness, menu design, and more. After assessing these metrics and providing improvement recommendations, you can offer this service to business owners who want an unbiased evaluation of their operation. This can be particularly valuable for businesses concerned about the consistency of their service when the owner is absent. Moving on to the fifth business model, print on demand. Companies like Printful and Printify allow you to create custom products without an initial investment. While these platforms may take a portion of your earnings, it's a way to test and validate a business idea without substantial risk. You design custom merchandise, and when a sale occurs, the platform automatically prints and ships the product on your behalf. It's an excellent way to validate a business concept before committing significant capital. The sixth business model is representing influencers, public figures, or anyone with substantial exposure. You can approach these individuals, offer to find them sponsors, and take a percentage, example, 20%, as your fee. Alternatively, you can work without exclusivity and offer representation services to multiple influencers, taking a percentage from successful sponsorships. This creates a win-win situation for all parties involved. Finally, in the seventh business model, we have personal branding. With the current algorithm-driven platforms, it's easier than ever to gain viral attention. Creating content on platforms like TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram can lead to opportunities for sponsorships, product sales, and more. Building a personal brand can be highly lucrative in today's attention-driven industry. In conclusion, all of these business models revolve around creating win-win situations where both parties benefit. The key is to identify your strengths and interests and leverage them to generate income in creative ways. Goodbye.